Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to create a BTS-themed product mockup in Adobe Illustrator. This guide will walk you through each stage, from setup to exporting your final design. Let us begin. Step 1. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document. Use dimensions suitable for your product mockup, such as 3000 by 3000 pixels with 300 dpi for print-ready resolution. This ensures high quality and flexibility when scaling your design. Step 2. Import a product mockup template. Go to File greater than Place and choose an image of a blank product like a t-shirt, hoodie, or phone case. This template will serve as the base for your BTS design. Lock this layer so it doesn't move while designing. Step 3. Bring in your BTS-themed assets. You can use high-resolution photos of BTS members, logos, or fan art. Place them on a new layer and arrange them creatively on the product template. Make sure the images fit naturally into the product space. Step 4. Use the pen toolkit to trace any specific shapes you want to isolate such as a member, a silhouette, or a symbol. This turns them into editable vector paths that can be scaled or modified. Use the direct selection tool to refine the curves. Step 5. Add decorative design elements. Incorporate shapes, textures, or handwritten lyrics. Use gradients, shadows, or glow effects to make your design more dynamic and visually engaging. Keep the BTS aesthetic in minimal, bold, or dreamy depending on the theme. Step 6. Apply a clipping mask to fit your design to the product shape. Select the artwork and the shape you want it clipped to, then go to Object greater than Clipping Mask greater than Make. This helps make the design look like it is truly part of the product. Step 7. Finalize your mockup. Add realistic texture overlays like fabric folds, lighting, or shadows for depth. This makes your design look like a real printed product. Fine-tune color, alignment, and composition. Step 8. Export your design. Go to File greater than Export as and choose PNG or JPG. Use 300 dpi and RGB for web, or CMYK for print. Make sure Use Artboards is checked to crop everything cleanly. Save in AI version for future edits. Congratulations! You have completed a professional BTS-themed mockup in Illustrator. You can now use your design for product previews, social media, fan merch, or your personal portfolio. Try experimenting with different BTS albums or concepts.